sit in it. I want to see if you can fit. Sit. Oh!
You have to do one. We're gonna get in trouble. Wait, put the camera on the ground so they can see it. Or like. Oh, that. Get in the basket. Get in the basket. They're not gonna be able to see. All right, that's perfect.
Ma'am, you are disrupting Walmart. You need to.
I just want to practice so much.
You need to leave.
Silly Teddy.
Can we buy this? Can we?
No, it's $30.
Can we buy it?
We need to find out the scanner things. Oh, it's one down here. Helen.
Look how pretty that is. We can see you.
I love you. I feel like it's staring at my butt now.
It's not. I don't think. No, it's not. You want this camera to fall because it will. That is inappropriate.
Dude,
What are you looking for? Oh, scanner? Scanner. I can't see you do that. Oh, now I can. I was so close.
the camera. I'm afraid it's gonna fall.
Tori! Oh yeah, Tori!
What?
Wait. Inappropriate sound. Cute butt.
You should. Look at it. It's like a booger. Would you like to eat a booger? Would you like a booger? Would you like to eat a booger? It's videotaping your butt.
If I heard someone say that, I would have been like, what the fuck is that?
Just figure it out.
It's so funny.
Kids are staring.
The same people? Was it the same people? Oh crap.
Here, I love you. Here's some
Who
grass.
does that? I mean, really?
I love you.
Right in the middle of a freaking, like, how? Are you serious right now with this, Walmart?
You just be walking and just...
No, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Walmart. You're putting a freaking pole in the middle of an aisle. Right, no, yes.
Yeah, why not?
I mean, seriously, Walmart, this is a fail. You're a little monkey.
Stop holding it for... I don't want to know. Dude, Kellen. I think I just barked a little bit.
Can you try those on, please?
I'll do this. I'm gonna try it on standing.
Wait, hold on. I need to...
Pick it up.
No, I'm so lazy. Oh, balls. Here, go back further.
Go give me a camouflage jacket in case anyone comes back here. I can just hide.
Shut up. Just say you're trying it on for your dad for his birthday.
Alright, Dad. Let's see if we can finish it. It's so heavy.
Oh my god. You're so stupid.
Alright. Let's do this. I feel like I'm wearing one of the super outfits.
They wear diapers, you idiot.
No, like.
Oh, the big fat suits that you like. The way you just waddled over here.
I need to get away. Okay. I can't do it. Stop, dude.
Dude, you're so thug right now.
Like, would you like me to sign my pants?
Oh god.
This is really hot. It's coming.
Oh, sh-
I hate you. So bad. I can't even lift it. Oh, I needed the jacket.
yeah. I mean, what kind of Walmart worker does not do their job?
She just walked straight.
Did she even see you?
Yes. She like looked at me and then kept going.
She's probably used to it. I mean, if I were to Walmart, I would be. Oh yes! Hell yeah, dude. I mean, yay. What?
Come on, no, over your pants.
The Superman ones?
Yes. Do it.
Go get me the Superman ones. Hell no, I ain't walking over there. Take it.
Something's squeaking. Are they your size? They look like your size.
They're tiny.
I got you covered. Wait, model for me out. It looked like. Oh, that was great. I missed that. How did I miss that? Hold this.
Matt. Mhm. Break it down, Batman.
People.
You have to take a pee. You're like.
I was fixing myself, okay? Yes!
I just see SpongeBob's face coming into the frame.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure they went that way because I saw them when I was trying on this pants. Oh my gosh, look what they're looking at too. Look at what he's looking at. If you didn't know. That.
Dear God.
Why would you
I just walk
like
away.
go above your pants?
Well, some ladies have faux pas.
Oh yeah.
You made the camera go askew.
Hate you.
Oh. LOL. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. Walk faster. Walk faster. We didn't do it. Walk faster. We didn't do it. Walk faster. We didn't do it. It's running away from the.
Ew, look at all the birds. That is why there's so much crap in the streets. Let's not walk. Did you say let's not walk? Oh.
I was just gonna.
We should just make a run for it.
Yeah. Oh, they're everywhere.
You ready?
They're so good. Oh shit! We almost got crapped on. I'm so. Oh god, I thought that was a mountain of bird shit. I thought a mountain of bird shit had come down on the car. I was like, oh my god. You're so stupid. Oh my god.
Oh, that
it sounded like it was just like drop.
That's so awesome.
You have no idea how much I was like, holy hell.
He said, I said,
That's beautiful. Best face I've ever made my whole life. Maha.
did you hear that from,
The Amanda Show.
Yeah.
Man, Amanda Show. Let's go. Knock, knock. Who's there? Goldfish. Goldfish. She was there with goldfish. Dude, I did that to Hannah in the hallway and she was like, what did you just do?
look at all the birds. Oh my god, what is wrong with Texas?
It's the South. That's where they come for the winter. Those evil bastards. I hate birds.
Go back to where you came from. Why?
Creepy.
Mama, you clicked my emergency lights.
Oh, sorry.
Why is everything blinking? Someone should just go out there and scream and around, make a mom move. Look at the tree! Look at the wire! It's like a fuzzy wire.
No, you can't tell. It's just like a wire from here. Make a face. No, that wasn't a face. That was a sound. Make a face!
Do my scared face.
Oh, God.
See if I can do it.
Have you ever seen Scream? You look like the mask from Scream. Oh, stop it.
Ouch! It's my face.
Yeah, well, it's freaking me out.
I hate you.
Why don't you make a face? Oh, wait, you already made one. Are you gonna like wake me up in the middle of the night with that like hovering over me? Like,
Dude, I'm so gonna do it and I'm gonna videotape it and it's gonna be viral. Dude, it'll give me America's Funniest Home Videos.
oh my god, our new video. No, that one was epic. That was like the most epicest. And it probably never happened again. So that was when you first got the hammock and you were like, holy hell!
What?
Oh, damn it!
What?
That car.
What about that car?
It was legitimate! But it just...
Look at the
Please come
gay
this
guy
way.
with the pink shirt.
No, he's gonna think we're videotaping him. Oh, please come this way. Cool car. Oh, it didn't. Shit. That was so cool.
Oh,
Can we go find it? Let's go find it, please.
Alan, we're not gonna go.
Shut up.